So now I will show the answer key about the derivative of number 3, 7 and 9. So in the number 3 we have function f(x) equal to minus 2 divided by x plus 1. We can have the formula of the first derivative of the fraction is about a b minus a first derivative of b, and here is b power 2. So now we have s plus 1 is about b and minus 2 is about a. So we do about that. The first derivative of this fraction is about s plus 1 power 2. We have a is about minus 2 is about 0, s plus 1. We have a is about minus 2 in here, and the first derivative of the s plus 1 is about 1. So that's 0 multiplied with s plus 1 is about 0. Minus 2 multiplied with 1 is about minus 2. Minus 2 and minus is become positive. So we got about 2s plus 1 power 2. This is the answer for the question number 3. Question number 7. You can see that this one is similar this. This is about the identity of the s power 3 minus 1. So that you can put in here is about s minus 1 power 3 over the bracket 1 over 3. So you can see that that is the simplify of this from identity, and then you got about s minus 1 3 multiplied with 1 over 3. You got about s minus 1. The first derivative of the s minus 1 is like this, and in here we have s first derivative plus 2 minus 1 first derivative. First derivative of s is about 1. This one becomes 0, so you got about 1. So this is the answer for you, the question number 7. Question number 9. To find the first derivative of this one, you have a first derivative, then a with the b first derivative. So that we got about formula. So we have minus 2 plus s plus 3 plus 2 minus 2s with s plus 3 first derivative in here. So you got about 1 s plus 3 plus minus 2 s, and this one become the number 1. So you multiply number 1 with the x fraction, you got about s plus 3 minus 2 plus s in here. So you got about 2s plus 1. So this is the answer key to question 3, 7 and 9 for you.